What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have this high-powered LED rechargeable pocket light made by EasyRed. It comes with an aluminum body, comes with a recharging port, and a weatherproof button on the back. Has a nice clip, solid clip to clip onto your belt or your pocket. The charging port is hidden. You can unscrew it. That's where the charging port is. It does come with the cable and the plug. So if you want this pocket light, get yours at 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.